This is day 7, lesson 7.1, Kei here, asking and answering where something is, part 1. Let's go. Kia ora anō e hoa, welcome back. Today's lesson is going to be super useful for your everyday conversations in te reo Māori, because we're going to learn how to ask where something is using the phrase kei here, and then describe its location using directional words like on top of, or underneath, or inside, and so on. By the end of today's lesson, you'll be able to ask and answer questions like, where is the pen? And describe exactly where it is in relation to something else. Now, there's a lot in this, so let's get started. Let's start with the basics. When you want to ask someone where something is in te reo Māori, we use the phrase kei here, which means where. You can ask kei here te when you're asking about one single thing. For example, kei here te pene means where is the pen, just one pen. Or you can ask kei here ngā if you're asking about plural or multiple things. For example, kei here ngā āporo means where are the apples. Kei here means where is or where are. Te and ngā both mean the, but te is used for single and ngā means plural. Let's practice that together. Kei here te pene. Kei here ngā āporo. Nice. So that's how we ask where something is using kei here, te, and kei here, ngā, followed by the thing that we're asking about. Now, let's go over some key directional words to help give us some accurate answers about where something is. Here are some key directional words in te reo Māori that will really help you to describe where things are. Runga, on top of or above. Raro, under or below. Roto, inside. Waho means outside. Mua, in front of. Muri, behind. Te taha, beside or next to. And wainganui, in the middle or between. Let's practice saying those kupuho, those new words together now. Runga, on top. Raro, underneath or below. Roto, inside. Waho, outside. Mua, in front of. Muri, behind. Te taha, beside or next to. And wainganui, in the middle or between. Ka pai. These words are going to be really useful as we learn to describe where things are. Now that we've got some of our directional words down packed, let's learn how to answer kei here questions. Now, this might sound really confusing at first, but just hang in there. After you get a few reps under your belt, it all gets much, much easier. To answer a kei here question, we start with kei, followed by the location. For example, kei runga or kei raro. Then we use te or ngā, followed by the object, depending on whether we're talking about one or plural things. Finally, we wrap it up with I, te, and then a reference point. For example, let's say there is a pen on top of a table. We say, kei runga te pene, I te tepu. The pen is on top of the table. Let's just break that down piece by piece. Kei runga means on top. Te pene, the pen. I te tepu, of the table. So let's practice answering a few questions together. Kei here te puka puka. Where is the book? Let's say the book is under the table. Kei raro te puka puka. I te tepu. The book is underneath the table. Let's say the question is, kei here ngā ki? Where are the keys? And let's say the keys are inside the bag. Kei roto ngā ki I te peke. The keys are inside kei roto I te peke, the bag. Kei here te motoka. Where is the car? Let's say the car is outside the house. We would say Kei waho te motoka I te whare. The car is outside the house. Kei hea te ngeru. Where is the cat? Let's say the cat is behind the chair. Kei muri te ngeru I te tūru. The cat is behind the chair. Kei muri te ngeru I te tūru. Kei hea ngā tamariki. Where are the children? Let's say the children are inside the shop. Kei roto ngā tamariki I te toa. Kei roto ngā tamariki I te toa. Inside the shop. Awesome. Now you're getting the hang of it. We're going to take a break there. Now there's a lot more to come, but we've covered a lot in a very short amount of time. So I want to give you a chance to take a breath and just let all of that just sink in. Go and grab yourself a drink, and I will see you very shortly in our next session where we're going to wrap this whole part up. Hei a kua nei. See you shortly.